Hello, and a very good afternoon to you all. My name is James Dadzi, and today I just want to show you guys this this trick that I found really um, as I try to practice cyber hygiene. And unfortunately, that I quickly discovered that my company that I work with, they don't have a company approved password manager. And so I decided to figure out what to do. But then there was no other option. And immediately it clicked in my mind, why not use OneNote? I discovered that OneNote has a feature where you can, after you create a notebook with multiple sessions, like you see here on my screen, this, see over here, this section here, see, these are all notebooks. This is my notebook, this is another notebook, that's another notebook. And for each section within the notebook, okay, you're able to create a password to lock it. Now you obviously don't want to do it for all of them because that can be a problem. You only have so much, and if you want to be as secure as possible, you don't want to type that password down, those passwords down, because somebody finds out, they can quickly unlock all of these, and that's a problem. So what I decided to do is that I'll keep all of my passwords in just one section, and I'll just name it credentials. Of course, you can name it whatever you want. For instance, so this is a notebook here. This is a section of the notebook I call credentials, right? And what I do is, so I come in here and then you can add a page. You can add multiple pages. So this is one page, this is another page, that's another page. Now, I work in cybersecurity, and for obvious reasons, I'm not going to be able to release too much information. But I, you know, as I mentioned, we don't really have a way to centrally manage all our credentials, and so it's important to kind of have a backup. And this is what I created, right? So here you have like Linux VMs. I work with virtual machines a lot. So for this place will be for just passwords that have to do with Linux virtual machines. And this is going to be for Windows virtual machines, or however you want. This is just a template, or some, for lack of yeah, a template. So this way you understand and have a picture, a mental picture, an idea of how you can kind of organize your passwords and everything. So right now here on title page, you can just give it anything. Once you type it in here on the side, it will show up here. So you can just say, I don't know, maybe service, okay, service. And then you can just say Blend OS, or yeah, say Windows Server 2016. I think they're up to 2016 now, if I'm not mistaken. But so yeah, so you'll log in, and then down here, the way that I do it is to say, so give it, kind of organize it and make it look clean. So if your password is this, mix it up with some uppercase. Here we go. Some numbers here, like that. Okay, so then add to dictionary, ignore. I don't know if you know, but BlendOS is a new form distribution of Linux. It just basically, like the name says, BlendOS. It has multiple distributions in one, and so you can select it. You fire up the VM, and you just see all the different options. It's really cool. So I might do another video in the future, kind of showing you how to install that. Okay, so just let me know in the comment section if you do want to see it. But okay, off that tangent now. So say BlendOS, same thing. Just type in something. Put a space here. Fat fingering stuff. Okay, so we have this password here. Put a space, kind of. Or if you want, you can actually just cut this. That's what I like about OneNote. Once you click in a different section, say outside of this particular box, you have another box, and then if you paste, voila, see, it's another box here. So you kind of keep them separate. Or you can just kind of make it bold up here, underline, italicize, kind of make it stand out, so you know it's clean for you. So, you do it this way. And with this, I created before for the purpose of this video, says Windows 10 and 11 virtual machines. So again, you can also kind of separate this and you can play around with it and see what, you like, how you prefer to have the layout. But so this is basically the password. You can kind of make it clear here. Maybe say password or something like that. Um, so yeah, we have this here. Voila. Okay. So then, yeah, so then you have it this way. And then this is the most important piece of it. Around here, you can just come here and say password protect this section. So you click on it and over um, to the far right side, you look up here. So, okay, so you see right here, I already have a password set. So I'm just going to change it for the purpose of this video. I'll change it. And then the old password is what I'm going to type in. And as you can tell, it is masked. Oh, wow. Tongue. Okay, it's masked, and so you can't really even see it. And that's a good thing, right? So nobody can do any shoulder surfing, and that's pretty cool. So then here you type in the password. I can just sort this one here. And then I'm going to mess up on this one. Okay. There we go. So voila. So it's changing password and it's done. So then what you do, yeah, so then you click out of it. From my experiment, it looks like you actually have to close it completely. As long as the OneNote remains open, this section will be open, even though you've password protected it. Or actually, you can just lock it right here. And then you click this. All you have to do, type in your password and then boom, you have it here. You're the only one who knows that password. And so all of your key passwords, they're all in here. Okay. And as I mentioned, if your office or the company you work for or the organization you work for, whatever the case may be, if they don't have an in-house password manager, okay, this is an option that's available to you. And you can just basically lock it and you have all of your credentials here. And if you want to be stealthy, which is good because, some people can just break in and you don't want anybody to know, you can just rename this part and not say credentials. Make it so obvious. So just say lock or something along those lines, something random, maybe uh, I don't know, something, just anything, something that's unsuspecting. I don't know. Okay, let's just say Discord, right? You're the only one that knows, right? So then you come in here, you're only the only one who knows your password, and you can lock and unlock it. You can even remove the password and do whatever you want. But basically, this is the trick I wanted to show you guys in a nutshell. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and if this has been useful to you, please by all means smash that like button. Um, Comment below what you liked about this video. I'm big on feedback. Just let me know what you'd like to see next time. Um, if you want to see the Blend OS um, set up in my virtual machine, my hypervisor, I can set it up as a virtual machine. I can show you guys. So go ahead, comment, leave a comment below, um, and then I'll take a look at it, and then possibly in the future video, I will you know honor this promise to you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave you with the very best wishes of the season. It's December 25th today, if I didn't mention already, 2023. I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day with all of your families. And yeah, enjoy it. Very Merry Christmas to you. And we're almost at the end of another year. Um, All the best. And thank you so much for spending time to watch this video. Thanks. Bye.